Now who doesn't like dogs? Buster? Are you awesome? This dog right here, he's 17 years old. That's like the oldest I ever heard a dog could be. Now who's a cute puppy like him? Huh? He just burped. I never heard a dog burp before. And then there's Tucker eating on the food, aren't you? I'm talking to you, Mr. Fluffy. I should start calling you that now. I just made that up, Mr. Fluffy. Yeah. This is like my first video I'm gonna make. Don't you like it, Buster? You see yourself right now, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, sneeze. Yeah, no, these two cute dogs are... And that one's just eating food right there. And yeah. Subscribe if you like more videos. And see you later.